out of traffic. It's that rush hour time, 5:30. Rush hour time. But yeah, this is like a new spot that I kind of discovered this side of town. It's a new spot that I discovered. There's lots and lots and lots of back roads, and they kind of all like join in together as like one big circle, so you can't really get lost. So that's why I like coming over here. And then normally it's not as much traffic, but today I'm guessing, you know, everybody's coming off work. I believe I don't know, I think over here is called dang, I really don't know what over here is called. This city is called, I'm not sure. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the videos. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. Casual view, you know, listening to a badass motorcycle as you're trying to go to sleep. You know what I mean? What we got going on here? Come on, fellas. Let's not stop on the train tracks. Let's not do that. As a kid, I watched the movie Hancock, Will Smith. And as a kid watching that movie, it taught me to never stop on a train track. That one movie taught me that. So now when I drive and when I ride, I don't stop on train tracks. But some people do, man, and I don't get it. Some people stop on train tracks, and I do not understand that. Man, this bike is so rowdy. It's like a little demon. Dang. See, this is that Ducati feeling that a lot of people refer to when they refer to the Ducati. They don't. That downshift is killing me. But they don't necessarily refer to it with these newer Ducatis. But with the older gens, they used to say, like, you know, it felt like the bike was trying to throw you off. I feel with this bike, man. It feels like the bike's trying to throw me off. Should I lane split? I don't think my mirrors are skinny enough. That's the only problem with these mirrors. Once you tighten them down, they're very hard to move. You know what I mean? Oh, damn it. See, I just loosened it up. Damn it. I just loosened it up. So now I gotta go home and retighten it. So once you put them in a set position, you can't move them or else they come loose. See, now this is super loose. Great. So once they're in a set position, that's the only flaw that I have with these. I got these off of Amazon for like 20 bucks. And the only flaw that I have with them is you got to put them in a set position, and then you can't move them again, because if you move them again, then the whole screw comes loose. So now I gotta go home and tighten the thing back up. Hopefully it doesn't fall off while we're riding. That would be a bad day at the office. I think it'll be good though. But yeah, I would have definitely just gone right through the middle. But this bike is super wide with these mirrors. And one thing that I've noticed, you know something that I've noticed actually? This bike gets super hot. I don't remember getting this hot. So I might have to change my hoses and put the Samco cooling hoses on here. Cause look at that, 216, and it's 70 degrees outside. It's not even a hot day. Not even a hot day, and this bike is jumping up to oh my goodness, 219. Holy smokes, 221. Damn, this bike gets super hot, man. I'm gonna turn it off. This bike gets super hot, man. Dang. I'm definitely gonna have to get some Sam cooling hoses for this bad boy, cause this thing gets hot, man. Damn. guys, one of the main reasons why I brought the bike out today was to make sure that all my carbon fiber, the new carbon fiber that I installed, making sure that, oh, look at my mirror, oh my goodness, I hope it doesn't fall off, bro. But yeah, I installed a new piece of carbon fiber onto the bike, which looks sick, which is down here, right there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it basically goes over that that pump right there. I think it's a water pump or a radiator pump, something like that. It goes over that and it looks sick, so hopefully it's in good condition after this ride, unlike this freaking mirror. I should have never messed with it. I should have never freaking touched it. But yeah, one of the reasons why I'm not ripping right now is because I just passed the cop. So I'm not trying to get pulled over. Hopefully you guys enjoy the video, man. I'm about to jump on the highway and do a quick pull and then make my way back to the house. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. I need you guys to smash that like button, because I think YouTube is not like pushing my videos because I'm not getting a lot of likes, which I understand, because even when I watch YouTube, I rarely like videos. Even though like I watch a bunch of YouTube videos, I rarely press the like button. So I understand. But yeah, drop a like if you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't not already. We're almost at 2,000, yo. That's crazy. I literally remember when I was at 300 and I was like, yo, how the hell am I supposed to get 1,000 subscribers? I remember thinking that to myself. I was like, yo, how in the world am I supposed to get 1,000 subs? And I was at like 300, and I would only get like 1 subscriber a week. And you know, next thing you know, man, my videos just started blowing up. I started taking it more serious as well, and so I started putting out more content. I started putting more effort into the videos, and then my channel just blew up, man. Well, not blew up, but it started to pick up traction. So yeah, we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And drop a comment down below if you want to see more point of views of me riding this bad boy. day at the freaking office. What the hell? day at the office, folks. My mirror flew off. Now I gotta order another one. See, the bad thing is, the good thing is it's cheap. It's like 20 bucks. But dang, I did not want my mirror to fall off. Probably shouldn't have been going that fast. I probably shouldn't have been going that fast, to be honest, but damn. Just my luck. But that's okay. That's okay. Still enjoy my day. Nothing can ruin my day. Nothing can ruin my day. Nothing at all. Put out this video. I'm not going to edit it and make it shorter. I'm going to put out this entire thing and I'll see how it does on YouTube, because maybe that's what my viewers want, man. Maybe they want longer videos. I don't know. So I'm going to put out a longer video, see how it does. Won't hurt anybody. It won't hurt anybody. This person,